Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Katy Perry's Roar music video on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the one I did adjustments on. Hopefully I remember everything I used because sometimes I just use stuff and it's all blurred for me. Okay. For the hair, I used this hair in black, no adjustments made, and this two in all black. Then for the flower crown, I used this one here, and I colored it green 547041, and then yellow, then this purple, and then this green, and then that green again. For the adjustments, I did Z.44 rotation and at X.62. Then for the head, I used this one in this color, green, and then a light green. Okay, I just did like two greens, well, three actually. For the adjustments, for the toggle, I made it the biggest one, position Y at 0, Z.88, and scaled it all to 1. It's supposed to be 1. Then I used this headpiece, this one, colored it green, and then red, and then orange, and then red again, and then yellow, and then green. For the adjustments, I did Y.09, Z.52, and scale it to 1. Next, for the outfit, we are going to use this one and these colors, the green. And then, oh my gosh, I don't remember what color I used. I keep doing that. Like, I just don't remember the color I used, but don't worry, I can go to photos and look. I did pink and orange and yellow, okay. So this pink and then orange, and then I did green again and then yellow. And then I used this too in green, and then this lighter green, and then that green, and then I also used this in that green and metallic, and then use this too in, I think, silk, but in that like lighter green color. Did I use silk or metallic? I don't remember. Just going to make it slightly darker though to blend it a little bit more. Then for the shoes, I used this one in this color, 40332A. For the top, I used this, and the second toggle in this leopard pattern. Sorry about my squeaky chair. This one. And then I also used this tail as well, this one, but in only tail in that green color and in green. And I think that's it. That is pretty much it, really. It's super simple, and actually, no, the adjustments are annoying to do. That's why I'm not going to restart it. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!